I am tired of seeing your face. What are you doing? You sneaky swine!
Please, accept my apology.
I spit on your apology! Get out!
Stop.
Oh my god, a
following
bomb!
me.
Just have to pull this wire. We should just smash that thing to pieces, and I'll get a good night's sleep.
Denton.
Who the hell are you?
Yes, I hear you're turning out to be
No,
quite
really.
an ass
Who
to
are
the
you?
Coalition. We aren't ready for an introduction yet.
Okay.
No, it's not time. Just keep your nose to the paper. You can't run, Denton.
Excuse me?
Even if you escape, your kill switch is counting down. You'll be dead in 23 hours. Another $50 billion down the drain. Time's up. I have an important matter to attend to. You should have surrendered.
Make me.
A lot of rats.
Jason,
I guess
Denton.
that's okay.
UNATCO's put a price on your head.
Don't you worry, this will all pass.
There he is! Stop him!
Now this is what I signed on for, gangsta.
Time to die, Jason.
You cannot escape!
Hey!
Keep looking.
Take him out!
Hello, Agent. They built you well, Agent. Who's out there? Show yourself.
Stop that. Remember not to touch the body this time. He's here. Yes. Cease this activity.
He's here.
This is gonna be good.
Denton's been busy.
Watch yourself, this one's
Ladies
some
and
kind of
gentlemen,
mech.
please advise.
Oh my god!
You can't run, Denton. I've looked forward to this,
Then this will be a good fight.
with the exception that I have a newer version of the firmware. More paperwork. Fool. Uh-oh.
Scanning area. Critical damage.
Another stupid young rebel.
Critical damage.
Target acquired.
Man, I am gonna look fine in that coat.
Cut it out.
I heard that, man. I ain't deaf.
I'm gonna whoop your ass.
Keep your head, Agent.
Now, why'd he have to mess with me?
Enough screwing around. We've got other things to worry about.
Oh my god!
Hello. Simons. I hope my escape was entertaining to watch.
Son of a bitch.
Leaving color!
That's it.
Laugh it up, Denton.
I surrender.
What?
Easy now, Agent. UNATCO has a policy against killing unarmed prisoners. We have much to learn from each other.
If you know something, just tell me.
The question you've got to ask: who murdered your parents?
You killed our father. You killed Paul. What a shame. Maybe you should think about going back to school.
Soon I will be pure light, pure energy.
You are hearing the voice of a Majestic 12 AI.
The AI wants to merge with my brain or something.
Just a moment longer. You aren't even afraid, are you? But don't worry. I know your weakness.
Remember the briefing.
Move in.
Stop!
You won't get
I order
away,
you to
you
stop
know.
right there! You can't shoot your way out of this one. I know what you're trying to do. It won't work.
I surrender.
You take another step forward, and here I am again, like your own reflection repeated in a hall of mirrors.
You can have anything you want. How about Europe? Time is running out.
It's time for you to retire.
We've had to endure much, you and I, but soon there will be order again. A new age, and we will be crowned its kings. Are better than kings. Gods.
We are one.
Please, call me Bob.